Welcome to today's tutorial on creating simple rotate animation using HTML CSS. Follow step by step to learn how to make rotating box the smoothly transition when you hover it. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a folder in your desktop or your any location. After creating folder, give it to name as your wish. Right click the folder and show more option. Open with VS Code. Now after opening VS Code, close the welcome tab and create HTML and CSS file. Let's look index.html and style.css. After creating file in HTML file, shift +1 that create a HTML code. Now after creating HTML code, link the CSS file in below title. Type link and suggestion automatically come. Now you go to CSS file and type body tag. In body tag you want first is height 100 VH yani viewport height, and that display flex. Justify content center. Align item center. That's your box are center on screen, and give it to background color as you like. Now come to HTML file and type dot box. Copy your class name and go to CSS file and write as dot box and open curly bracket. In this box you want give width and height. Width 100 pixel, height 100 pixel. Now you declare background color. That's why you see our box. I give him greenish color. Now you want to add an event on hover. So type dot box :hover. So you use transform rotate, and in this bracket you want to declare how much degree you want rotate. I prefer 360 degree. Transition 0.5 seconds, which is take time to rotate over 360 degree content. Now go to live server and show the output. Now when we hover on this box will rounded scroll. That's our rounded animation look like. Now I give border radius, so our box will be corner radius. Just look like this. Now I give him border top to view the difference. I give him border top 10 pixel solid red. This is final output, how our animation look like.